Indigenous fundamental layouts of the Yu ancient capital city during Nguyen dynasty, 1802 to 1945, Vietnam. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This study aims to analyze the layering of various layouts of the capital city throughout its history and explain how it evolved. From its foundational layouts to the acculturated layouts that emerged at the beginning of the 19th century and persist today. Furthermore, this study will establish a foundation for further research on the principles of acculturation in urbanization, offering guidelines for the preservation, inheritance, and utilization of the ancient capital city of Yu, while also guiding future tourism development in Yu City specifically and in Vietnam more broadly. The study examines the historic eco-capital city of Yu during the Nguyen dynasty, 1802 to 1945, where the complex of Yu monuments, the World Cultural Heritage Site, is located. Based on historical documents, previous studies, field surveys, and comparative observations among historic urban cities in Vietnam and other East and Southeast Asian countries, this study concludes that the urban morphology of ancient capital cities follows indigenous layouts. These indigenous fundamental layouts were shaped by natural elements, specifically the Gyeongsan river and mountain, and the complex water quadrangles and lake system, which supported rice field irrigation, waterway transportation, and natural ecosystems. These layouts are inherited from the natural resources of the Emirate of Champa, which existed in the Yu area before the 14th century. These natural elements are still recognizable and have been continuously inherited through various Vietnamese feudal dynasties. From the period of the Nguyen lords, 1558 to 1777, of the Kingdom of Cochin China to the Tai Son dynasty, 1778 to 1802, and finally to the Nguyen dynasty, 1802 to 1945. The coincidence of characteristics in the ancient capital city of Yu is not merely a chance occurrence. It suggests that the city was established based on the indigenous fundamental layouts of an urban morphology that existed in these areas previously, likely during the period of the Champa Emirates from around the 5th to the 10th centuries. Introduction. This study focuses on the urban planning of ancient cities in Vietnam, with a particular emphasis on the historic capital of Yu during the Nguyen dynasty, 1802 to 1945. Architecture and urban planning in these cities were closely tied to the natural geography, such as rivers and mountains, which played a vital role in shaping settlements. The location of these cities was often chosen based on water sources and natural landmarks, which were believed to support prosperity and well-being. However, as time passed, urban development led to changes in the landscape, which brought about problems like flooding, pollution, and traffic congestion. The study explores the original urban designs of cities like Yu and examines how these principles were applied, especially during the reign of Emperor Gia Long, who established Yu as the capital in 1802. The city was carefully planned using geomancy and cultural traditions, creating a harmonious blend of natural beauty and architectural heritage. Yu's historical significance, with its ancient monuments, palaces, and temples, earned it recognition as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1993. This study aims to better understand how urban layouts influence the growth and challenges of ancient cities in Vietnam. Conclusion. This study explores the urban planning of Yu, Vietnam's ancient capital, which inherited natural elements from the earlier Champa civilization. The city's design includes rivers, mountains, and water quadrangles, focusing on waterway transportation and ecological balance. These natural elements not only shaped the city's prosperity but also helped maintain harmony with nature. While urban development may change over time, these foundational natural elements remain constant and sustainable. Preserving these elements is key to conserving the city's heritage and ensuring a balanced ecosystem for future generations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.